Good day. We're going to present our project for system integration and architecture. I'm John Lawrence Reyes together with my groupmate Kyle Joseph Lapitan. We are third year BSIT student from SAST department in Letran, Calamba. EcoNote is an AI-driven web app designed to enhance the academic study process. EcoNote transforms traditional lecture notes into comprehensive multimedia resources using summarization, audio narration, visuals, and videos to improve understanding and retention. Our key goals are to convert both handwritten and digital notes into structured study materials, enhance learning through text summarize, visuals, and audio, save students time, and ultimately build a scalable academic tool that supports diverse learning styles.
And for our diagram, it's called MVC. And the components are user, and the Archimate layer for user is business layer, view, application layer, controller, application layer, model application layer. The role of the user is represent the person interacting with the system. The role of the view is represent the UI where the user interacts the website. The role of the controller is escapulates business logic, processes input and routes API. And the role of the model is handles data logic, database connection, and SQL models. And the controller also represent an application service or application component in Archimate. And it also executes the API call and handles all the logic. And for our challenge and limitation, it is limited to have generative AI access, generating multiple image for a video, image generation bottleneck, basic video generation, and user interface. No authentication and save feature, input file format limitation. That's all. Thank you.